In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 car wash mops available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best car wash mops. The 5th product on our list is the Houseday BR11. Shopping for a good car mop can prove to be a challenging task, as the market is flooded with an endless supply of cheap, low-quality, and useless products. For those willing to do a little bit of work to save quite a bit of money, this Houseday BR11 is the way to go. We think this is an essential addition for professional car washers, car collectors, auto detailers, and those looking for an excellent brush to add to their personal supplies for deep cleaning. This excellent microfiber wash mop has a highly absorbent chenille microfiber bonnet, which can retrieve even the tiniest particles thanks to its absorption properties and the creation of static. It's really effective, and the car wash mop comes attached to a 45-inch telescoping pole. This means you can easily reach difficult areas of the vehicle without a ladder, such as the roof or hood of the car. Even better, as this product can detach from the pole to allow for hand washing, it makes a perfect choice for classic car owners who deep clean before taking their car to a show. Its pros are: its microfiber construction is excellent. It has an extendable pole, and it can be used by hand as a mitten. However, when it is fully extended, it feels like it could bend easily. The Houseday BR11 is great for those looking to give their vehicles a good cleanup without the risk of scratching the paintwork. Up next in 4th place is the Ordenado. We think this Ordenado car mop can benefit virtually anybody when it comes to washing vehicles. Like our first product, this unit head is made of chenille microfiber, well known for being the best cleaning material. The microfiber is exceptionally soft, absorbent, and considered one of the safest materials for all types of paint jobs and delicate surfaces. This is a perfect all-around product for personal car washers, expert car washers, and everybody in between. We also reckon it's a great way to get children out to wash the car, since this unit can be fun for them to use. This product will be ideal if you have a valuable vehicle or a new paint job and are worried about using a bristle brush. What's more, not only can its lightweight aluminum alloy design extend out, but it also offers an easy 180-degree cleaning angle, so you can avoid stretching, bending over, or twisting to get everything done. Its pros are: its microfiber head is high quality, it's gentle on paintwork, and it prevents back strain. However, the twist-to-lock mechanism is prone to coming undone. The Ordenado is a great value-for-money product that will help you keep your car in top condition. Still haven't found a car wash mop that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Manfiter. If you're looking for a product that allows you to give your vehicle a top-to-bottom clean, this selection from Manfiter may just be the best ticket. The main reason for purchasing a car wash mop is to eliminate the pollutants that contaminate your vehicle's surface. Your car, truck, or SUV can get filthy over time, and the best way to stop the dirt and grime building up in the first place is by cleaning it regularly. The car wash mop head on this unit is incredibly soft with strong water absorption. We found that it has a lint-free and swirl-free function that never scratches the paint on your car or other delicate surfaces. Furthermore, this microfiber mop head can be used with a telescopic handle or alone as a car wash mitt. What's more, for keeping your windows clear, there's an effective squeegee and rubber blade head, as well as 2 sponges for fast and streak-free drying. Its pros are: it can absorb a lot of water, it doesn't leave streaks after use, and it comes with additional accessories. However, the mop head flips over too easily during use. The Manfiter is a pretty comprehensive kit for a low price that will help you get your car showroom ready in no time. The 2nd product on our list is the Newruiheng. Should you really want to make your ride stand out after a wash, you will require the proper equipment. A good car wash mop such as this from Newruiheng can be the difference between having a streaky vehicle or one that gleams in the sun like a flawless gemstone. This tool makes it effortless to get every last speck of dust and dirt off your car. It can even do so without risking scratching your paintwork. So if you want to make your next car wash way faster and far more effective, we recommend having one of these close at hand. Unlike other products on this list, the Newruiheng is made of stainless steel. It has a 66-inch long telescopic pole with a 15-degree adjustable and ergonomic labor-saving elbow feature that reduces the need for ladders or stools. This means you can effortlessly clean the roof or other difficult-to-reach areas of your vehicle. For reliability, we think this is a superb choice. Its pros are: it is very effective at removing grime, it is very user-friendly, and it has an ergonomic elbow feature. However, the mop blades are pretty short. The Newruiheng is a solidly made unit that's ideal for those with larger vehicles. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top car wash mop is the Anngrowy MOP-G-1. How to wash a car is a very personal preference. Some people simply take a hose to the vehicle or let those fancy automatic machines at the local car wash handle the task for them, while others understand that the DIY approach will often lead to better results. It's these people that the Anngrowy MOP-G-1 caters for. This car washing mop is the perfect helper for washing, drying, waxing, dusting, and polishing your vehicles. This car mop can be used wet or dry to solve all your different cleaning needs. The Anngrowy mop head works to collect the particles of grime and dirt by trapping them into the washing mitt fibers. That way, the microfiber car wash mop head ensures no scratching or harming of your paintwork, delivering a scratch-free, lint-free, and swirl-free finish for peace of mind and superior results. We really like that the 62-inch long aluminum alloy car wash pole brush provides a 180-degree angle for effortless cleaning and has an excellent non-slip handle grip for ease of use. Overall, this is a very versatile and practical device for all your car cleaning needs. If you are looking for a high-quality car wash mop that can be used on a daily basis, this should be one of your top choices because it comes in really handy and is very economical for long-term use. Its pros are: it works well on any surface. It effectively cleans and polishes in both wet and dry states. It has a 2-in-1 function for inside and out of the car. And it has a long, lightweight pole. However, it can't withstand a huge amount of pressure, so it isn't suited to tough scrubbing work. The Anngrowy MOP-G-1 is a great all-rounder that we recommend for anyone needing to give their car a good clean and polish. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.